The Institute of Banking Personnel Selection has released IBPS PO application form to fill up a total of 6,432 vacancies. Only online application forms will be accepted for the exam. The application fee is Rs 850 for the general and OBC category, while for SC/ST, PWBD candidates it is Rs 175. In this video, we will tell you how to fill the IBPS PO application form in simple steps. But before that, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Step 1. Registration. Visit the official website of IBPS. Click the IBPS PO Apply Online link on the homepage. To go to the registration page, you need to click on the New Registration tab. In the registration page, you need to enter your name, email ID, phone number and security code. Once the registration process is over, your registration number and password will be displayed on the screen. Step 2. Upload scanned photograph and signature. You need to upload your scanned photograph and signature as per the dimensions prescribed by IBPS. Refer to the official notification to check the guidelines for uploading the scanned photograph and signature. Step 3. Fill the details in application form. In this part, you need to fill in your basic details and personal details. In the basic details part, you need to enter category, religion, number of attempts, exam center for prelims and mains, ID proof number, etc. In the personal details part, you need to enter your address, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, etc. Step 4. Enter educational qualification, work experience and languages known. In this part of IBPS PO application form, you need to enter details of your graduation such as year of passing, college, percentage of marks and grade if any. You are also required to enter your work experience if any and knowledge of computer. You need to also enter the languages you can read, write and speak. Step 5. Preferences of banks. Enter the preferences of banks where you wish to work upon your selection. Step 6. Preview application form. Once you submit your preferences of banks, your duly filled application form appears on the screen. Check all the details you have entered carefully because no changes will be allowed after final submission. Step 7. Upload left thumb impression and handwritten declaration as per the format prescribed by IBPS. Step 8. Pay the application fee online through credit or debit card, internet banking, wallet or cash cards or QR code or UPI. Step 9. After successful payment, the transaction receipt is displayed on the screen. You will also receive an email from IBPS stating that your application form has been successfully submitted for the exam. And with this, you are done filing IBPS PO application form. Keep visiting shiksha.com for more such videos and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.